Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I'll show you how to fix headphones not detected on your LENOVO Legion Tab Gen 3. So first, what you guys can do is check the headphones. So if you have a second pair or a second device, it will be best to test your headphones to make sure that they are working and that is not the headphones issue, but maybe the tablets. So check them out and let me know in the comments if it was the reason. If not, then what you guys can do is to restart your tablet. Basically restart it, so hold the power button. Now don't mind the Gemini popping up here, just keep on holding. Now click reboot and wait for your tablet to turn back on. So I'll see you guys then. Now after restarting, what you guys can do is, let me show you. Now after restarting the tablet, go over to the settings. Now here go to sound and vibration and make sure that mute is disabled, that the do not disturb mode is disabled too, and that the media volume and the ring notification volume is at max. So now if that did not work, then go over to the about tablet section, it's right at the bottom, and now click system update. Here wait for the update. If you haven't downloaded the latest version yet, then wait for an update here, then simply click on update software or something like that. I'll double check it for you guys to see that I'm running the latest version. Now if you're not running the latest version, then that might be the issue, because if there's anything, then that might be the software update that will save the issue of your headphones not being detected. So now what you guys can do is also check for hardware issues, but I do not recommend doing that by yourself. I would consider visiting a service center for a checkup, because it might be the faulty Bluetooth or something else. So don't do it alone, just try and contact the Lenovo customer support, and if that did not work, then I don't know what will. So that'll be it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.